Hi guys, my name is Shalaka and this is my sister Sahasra. Hi! Today we are going to make eggless cake and we'll only do it with wheat flour. And so this is oil and curd and this is baking powder, cocoa powder, sugar, wheat flour, and some dark chocolate, choco chip, and vanilla essence and milk. So we are going to start mixing all of the dry ingredients like this. And oh, look at that! It's becoming light brown. Yeah, not dark. From cocoa powder, it became light brown. And sugar. See? Over there. It is so nice. Wait, that's enough. Oil. Put it in. Yeah, good girl. Okay, now let's. We need a little bit. Why is this oil so sticky?
Oh.
There's a hole, right? Just a small. This vanilla essence. Good girl, Laurie, and chocolate chips. Is that enough? A little bit more. And don't forget this, guys. Okay. Now we are going to add a little bit of milk. Let's be careful. Wait. I'll put. Okay. Okay. That's enough.
No, pour.
That's enough. Now time to mix it. Up. Good. Look. Need some more milk. I think we should put the whole thing. Okay. It's too hot. Yeah. It makes me well on my hand. Now it's mixed evenly. Ooh, look at that. Let's mix some teeth out. Maybe we should put a little bit more. Yeah. That's enough. Just mixing. It will still become like cake. It will become last. It's very hard. Can I help? No need. That's enough. Let's begin this. Milk is the smoothest thing and it tastes good. Look there. Guys, look there.
Oh, it becomes so soft.
Let's add a date, bake girl, and bake me a cake. That's what I do then. Doing this and ooh, so chocolatey. I feel I want to eat it. Bowl. We are going to pour this into the greased butter bowl. Let me get another. We need to tap so the air bubbles will go. With chocolate chips. We'll decorate it afterwards also. Whole bowl.
I need to put it all over this.
Now we put it in the oven. We need to so we will put it for. Now we'll put it. Just turn. Perfect. Now let me stop. The cake will be ready in 5 minutes. 5. 5. So like 5 fingers. Till then we'll dance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and you should also try it and give a thumbs up and subscribe. Oh, it's so delicious. Bye. Like the video, guys. Hey, we need to cut that now.